Beijing Dafang Xinhe Bearing Company Limited was established in 2009. It has an oil-field oil machinery bearing storage center, a needle bearing storage center, and a needle bearing factory and sales center. Oil-field oil machinery bearing storage center mainly include mud pump bearings, slewing bearings, large hook bearings, small hook bearings, crane bearings, cruise bearings, top drive bearings, derrick bearings, pump unite bearings, fracturing pump bearings, and other petroleum machinery bearings. With regard to above-mentioned bearings, they are the largest and most complete inventory in the Chinese market. Our needle roller bearing storage center mainly include needle roller bearings, wheel bearings, combined bearings, one-way clutch bearings, linear bearings, and so on. We will serve our customers at the principle of best quality, competitive price, and satisfactory service. We look forward to have a successful and friendly cooperation with old and new customers. Come and join us.